Alright, let's review this seasoning. Seeds of change, perfect for chicken, lemon, garlic, and oregano. This season mix with a blend of organic lemon, garlic, and oregano. This flavorful combination is delicious on chicken and helps create a perfect meal. And it tells you to shake it before you use it. Okay, ingredients: salt, roasted garlic, oregano, ground turmeric, onion, ground black pepper, chives, lemon peel, sunflower oil. It says organic. Oh, it's an organic seasoning. That's not good. And I don't have a bunch of other junk in there. It's just seasoning, pure seasoning. Be a seed of change. Pick up a pack to join us on our mission. We donate 1% of our profits to help most people enjoy real food grown from seed. Dig in, do good. Sorry, some of this is so light and I'm having a hard time seeing it. You know, I'm going to check out some more of these seasonings and see what they have. I like that. USDA organic. Okay. Y'all want to see if you can find it and check it out. Where is the home office? Does it say? I don't see it. Oh, here it is. Chicago, Illinois. Okay. It's in Chicago. I'm going to be making some grilled chicken breast on my George Foreman grill. I'm going to be using this seasoning packet that I got free when I ordered from Walmart delivery the first time. They gave me a bag of goodies. So I'm going to try this. It's lemon, garlic, and oregano. Perfect for chicken. Seeds of change. It has plenty of salt. 550 milligrams of sodium. So I'm not going to put extra salt. I'm just going to put this all over the chicken. I'm going to see how much is in there first. So I'm going to season it. I might have some left for more chicken. But let me just put it all over. I wanted to drain some of that juice off of there. And let's season the other side. I like to season it well. Yeah, there's still enough left in there for me to make more chicken with. Okay, so I got the grill heated up, and then spray it with some cooking spray. And then, now on the George Foreman, it doesn't take long for it to cook. My son got me this several years ago for Christmas, because I had a George Foreman and it finally just bit the dust. And my son got me this one with the removable grill plate so I could wash the plates in dishwater. Okay, so we're going to cook one side. I'm going to cook it for 3 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to turn it over and cook it 3 more minutes. So like I said, George Foreman cooks fast. So for like a chicken breast like that, a thin one, it only takes around 6 minutes for it to cook. I'm going to taste it for you. That is good. I like that seasoning. That's really good. Taste the garlic in it. I like that.